Hi, Joseph Tuminello, Riverhead Buick GMC. I wanted to let you know that we are starting to have a better inventory. We just talked about pre-owned inventory expanding. Our new inventory is getting a little better. That doesn't mean you shouldn't, move quickly if you see something online or you're driving through the lot. But generally, it's better than it has been in quite some time. As you can see, we have a nice row of new inventory. We have Buick Encore GXs. We have a GMC Acadia. Some nice trucks. GMC Canyons, GMC Sierras, and Buick Enclave. So putting the word S on our inventory has been kind of fun lately, but that, again, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't act fast. It's still a lot tighter than it has been in years past, but you definitely have more of a selection. So come on in and see us, Joseph Riverhead Buick GMC.